Now we'll talk about the double buffer design pattern. This design pattern is used primarily in graphical work, and it says that if you have a screen object and you want to display some kind of animation on the screen object, in other words, draw some kind of animation, what you do, it recommends, is that you have an off-screen buffer. You do your complex screen graphics in the off-screen buffer rather than on the screen. So this design pattern is when you have rather complex graphics you want to display. It says you should do those in an off-screen buffer. Then the off-screen buffer gets a draw command like that, and it draws itself on the display. So that's the essence of the double buffer design pattern. It says you have a screen object that you want to display complex graphics on. It recommends that you create the complex graphics in an off-screen buffer, do all your work there, then send a draw command to the off-screen buffer, and have the off-screen buffer display itself on the screen as you see there. That way your complex drawing does not take place on the screen as the user watches. Instead, all they see is the off-screen buffer entirely placed onto the screen with all of its complex graphics already in place. That is the double buffer design pattern, and we're going to take a look at how that works in Java code coming up next.